Hey, hello everyone, and welcome to this video, guys. In this video, I'll be talking about how to handle this 90 days notice period because a lot of times, me being an HR, and what we look into is while hiring any of the candidate is the person in 90 days notice period, and if the person is into the 90 days period, we tentatively keep the candidate in priority 3 or priority 4. He is not a priority 1 for us because number one thing, it's around 90 days. It's around 3 months of notice period, guys. That's a very big for any of the company to hire. For example, traditional company might work, but there are a lot of startups, there are a lot of companies which are fast-paced in agile methodology. In that terms, it becomes very difficult for companies to hire these kind of candidates. And how do you negotiate on these things? And in this video, I'll be telling you a lot of these tricks and methods to negotiate with HR because I'm a HR, working as HR. I am part of recruitment campus, employee branding, and a lot of other things. So without any delay, let's get started, guys. For example, I want to search for the job. Maybe I'm looking for HR jobs. Let me search over here. Experiences 3 years. Into location Bengaluru, Bengaluru. Yeah, and just search for the job. Okay, I can see work from office. We have 10,000. Hybrid is 222 and remote is 90 jobs what they're offering. And if I go ahead and search for these type of jobs, okay, there are a lot of jobs. MD. Okay, let me quickly go ahead and apply for any of the jobs. So maybe I'll apply for a very good company. Okay, let me go into Accenture and start applying for the job. So you can see over here, Accenture has opened this posted 2 days ago. There are total 16 applicants, and I can directly hop over to the company website and apply over here. Okay, the year of experience is 3 to 5 years, any graduations and work talent management. That's something basic what we need to in HR. Okay. The basic thing what they look is to join candidate immediately, right? That's the company, this thing. Maybe this traditional company doesn't work like that, but if you go to other companies, maybe like not the traditional companies, there are a lot of startups and other things. Maybe any of the startups would like people to join as soon as possible. For maybe this looks like a cashless startup. Okay, they want people to join as soon as possible, right? In that case, what exactly you tell these people and how do you negotiate with HR? In this video, I'll tell you that. For example, okay, your notice period is 90 days. That is completely understandable. A recruiter calls to you saying that, hello, hi. I have seen that you applied for so and so position. Just wanted to know about the details. So basically, what recruiter will ask is your name, contact details, your email ID, and which company you're working. What is your current CTC? What do you expect at CTC? And after that, the what question he asks is, what's your notice period? So what you can say the best thing in this scenario is never say that your notice period is 90 days. I know this is a documented one and what if my HR asks later. So you can always play around with the words saying that yes, ma'am, my notice period is 90 days, but it's negotiable at up to 45 days or 46 days or 50 days. Okay, that's how you negotiate. That's how you tell them. Okay, though in your company it's not there, there is no negotiable, but still you tell them. Because in this scenario, what happens is you're giving a hope to the HR person saying that okay, this is at least negotiable, he can manage the things. Okay, so this happens, and once you see this, immediately your profile, I'm telling you guys, immediately your profile gets shortlisted. I mean, they tend to move your profile, okay, to the other, I mean, to the next round, whatever it's first round, second round, the third round. That's how we do it. That's how me being an HR, I have done these things to candidate guys because just after listening those things, okay, and everything happens, okay. The person goes to the first round, second round, and he clears the third round. The candidate is very excellent, and then it comes for the offer stage, that is pre-offer documents. And me being an HR, I send it to the candidate saying that this is your pre-offer documents and please share the required documents. And in that scenario, what this candidate does is, hello, ma'am, thank you so much for the offer. And he accepts the offer, okay? And he shows that offer to the current company where he's working. He has a win-win situation, guys. One side, he has another offer where he can negotiate with the company and get the salary hike. Another thing is what he does is to the my company, which I'm hiring for him. What he does is, for example, okay, first thing is I have built the trust. Okay, me being a recruiter, I have built the trust. He's an excellent candidate. Yeah, you the manager knows you, the hiring manager knows he's amazing candidate. We don't want to lose this guy, right? And now what he says, he calls back to me, recruiter, saying that, hello, ma'am, I checked with my manager, the current company where he's working, saying that to negotiate with the notice period, but he's not able to negotiate. So, ma'am, I have to stick for 30, 90 days of notice period. So, in this scenario, I'm telling you what happens is me being a recruiter and my hiring manager will tell, let's wait for this candidate. But this candidate is very excellent and he's very nice. Okay, so let's wait for the 90 days period. It's completely okay because what you do is you block the offer, right? And you get into a win-win situation. That's how you play with the recruiter's mindset and company mindset, guys. That's very important because in India, there are like 2, 3 crores of people who apply for the jobs, guys. I'm telling you, once we open any rec on a Workday or any on the company website, we see thousands and lakhs of people applying for the job. And how did you get the opportunity? How are we supposed to, filter out the job application? It's very difficult for us. And the moment you get into that line is very important, guys, because getting opportunity is secondary thing, but getting to the line, getting that way to get into the job is very important, guys. So that's why always play with your mind, always play with people's psychology, understand people. Don't always be bhola, guys, saying that, hello ma'am, my name is 90 days to notice period. What recruiter will say, okay, okay, he'll take the information, I'll cut down the call and never call you guys. So always use the strategy when your notice period is 90 days. I know a lot of traditional companies have this and a lot of companies are following this. Okay. TCS, a lot of other companies. TCS to like Tata doesn't allows you, for example, if you once you move out of Tata, Tata doesn't allow you to come back to that company. That's how the policy is. But a lot of traditional big MNC company has 90 days of notice period, and that's how you play. Till then, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if you need any assistance, help in terms of making your resume, HR related questions, queries, job related queries, questions, please feel reach out to me, or you can fill the form given in the below. I'll definitely get in touch with you and we can discuss a lot about your interview preparation and a lot of things. Till then, thank you so much. Bye.